This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for July 11th, 2025, and I'm Sam Abul-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. Yesterday, John Roth, the Vice President of Cadillac brand at General Motors, provided an update on the brand's business so far in 2025, and based on this, it sounds very much like the brand remains committed to pursuing an electric future. Overall, GM's luxury brand has had fairly strong positive momentum in the last several years, and that continues in the first half of 2025. Year-to-date sales are up 19%, and the brand has had its highest share of the luxury market since 2014. Of particular note was the performance of Cadillac's lineup of 5 electric models. In the first half of 2025, EVs accounted for 24% of Cadillac's U.S. sales and 17% of global volume. Cadillac was also the 5th best-selling EV brand in the U.S. overall and the best-selling luxury EV brand, by a fairly significant margin. The midsize Lyriq crossover was Cadillac's first electric vehicle, debuting in 2022, and remains the top seller, although sales have tapered off somewhat in 2025. However, the introduction of the smaller Lyriq, the 3-row Vistic, and the massive Escalade IQ have more than offset the decline for Lyriq. Cadillac has also delivered its first examples of the new Celestiq electric flagship sedan. The success with EVs is going to be important to the brand, as Roth emphasized the desire to grow Cadillac globally. That's why Cadillac is involved in the World Endurance Championship and is launching a Formula One team in 2026, both of which have electrified powertrains. Both of these are racing categories with substantially larger audiences outside of the U.S. However, to leverage the growing brand awareness in the rest of the world, Cadillac will absolutely need a strong portfolio of electric vehicles, even if the U.S. market is slower in adopting electrification. In order for that to make financial sense, Cadillac needs to leverage the scale of the rest of GM with EVs. That means that while GM might be slowing some of its EV plans, it will likely persist with a robust lineup of EVs in the coming years, regardless of the Trump administration's war on the type. The EV isn't dead yet or anytime soon. Thanks for listening.